जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एनालिसिस। आज है फरवरी 2 2026। इसके अंदर हम इम्पोर्टेंट्स आर्टिकल्स पढ़ेंगे जो कि एग्ज़ाम्स के रिलेवेंट होगा और जो उससे इम्पोर्टेंट कीवर्ड्स होंगे उसको हम इसके अंदर पढ़ेंगे। बजट से रिलेटेड इसके अंदर आर्टिकल है। कैपेक्स स्केल अप, यूनियन बजट सेट सेंटर कैपिटल expenditure target at 12.2 lakh crore. India must stay deeply integrated with global markets, attracting stable long-term investment, says Finance Minister. Tax devolution share for states stays at 41%. Banking sectors set for sea change, PFC, REC to be res- restructured. यह है आपका टैक्स हॉलिडे फॉर डाटा सेंटर्स, एंथुसिस, आईटी बिजनेसेस लीडर्स। बजट में फैसिलिटेड domiciliations of global IT data operations, boost to global capability centers, में pure innovation tax holiday proposed for foreign firms establishing data center in India. Markets dip 2% as Sitharaman increases austerity on derivatives. Labor-intensive textile sectors (MSMEs) to get new schemes. 10,000 crore dosage for biopharma. Biopharma Shakti aims at facilitating domestic productions of biologics and biosimilars. 3 new National Institutes of Pharmaceutical Education and Research to be set up. Central Drugs Standard Control Organization to be strengthened according to global standards. Focus on mental health, comprehensive push to scale up the Ayush ecosystem. Cheaper cancer drugs training for 1 lakh caregivers. Budget ignores unemployment, social security, trade unions. New rural jobs scheme gets over 95,000 crore. Experts say the allocations inefficient to provide 125 work day to all workers, and government will need an outlay of 2.3 lakh crore. 30,000 crore has also been set aside for Manrega. Special attention to high value crops in budget. Marginal hike for agriculture sector, farmers unhappy. Port Sindoor major boost for defense. With the highest ever outlay of 7.85 lakh crore, budget underlines resolve to upgrade military capabilities to global standard, with a strategic emphasis on self-reliance. Capex allocations up 22% to 2.19 lakh crore, and 75% of it will be spent on domestic procurement. Budget allocates 6,000 crore for census, with allocations of 500 crore center beds for manufacturing sports good in India. More money and new schemes for livestock फिशरीज सेक्टर्स। ये मेरे को सारे के सारे आर्टिकल इंपॉर्टेंट लग रहे हैं। इसके अंदर एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड है, इसके अंदर सोशल जस्टिस और इसके अंदर स्कीम से रिलेटेड है, इसके अंदर बजट से रिलेटेड है। तो बूस्टर सूट फॉर एजुकेशन एंड स्किलिंग एलोकेशन फॉर एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर सीज 14.21% इंक्रीज टू अबाउट 1.39 लाख करोड़ बजट फॉर समग्र शिक्षा स्कीम। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन रेज फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर announces 5 university township and a panel to look at pathway from education to employment. A new rural job scheme, marginal hike for social justice and tribal affairs. Allocation stand at 13,687.59 crore for social justice debt and 15,421.97 crore for tribal affairs. Schemes to support livelihood assistive devices for persons with disabilities. Budget provides for girls' hostels, She Marts for entrepreneurs. 20,000 crore for carbon capture storage. India's approach, as outlined by the DST, is led by research and development rather than aiming for development first. The roadmap proposes a three-phase program, while the anticipated costs are estimated at around 4,500 crore over the next couple of years. Budget bets on duty cuts in new clean energy push. Semiconductor, Semiconductor Mission 2.0 unveiled. Electronics parts scheme outlay doubled. Despite dip in spends, Jal Jeevan Mission gets 67,600 crore. Every drop counts. A few states such as Tamil Nadu have reported action in tackling irregularities and substandard work. 7 new rail corridors announced, calling them growth connectors. The finance minister says the 4,000-kilometer infrastructure developed at an outlay of 16 lakh crore will link Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Delhi, Varanasi, and Varanasi, Siliguri. ये आपका है किधर से किधर, किधर से उधर. Inland waterways container making get a booster shot. Center floats incentives for manufacture of training aircraft seaplane operations. Government to train guides launch Buddhist circuit in tourism push. Okay, with a focus on using tourism to generate employment and boost local economies. Debating budget 2026 as turning point on tinkering. Budget 2026 bets big on industrial growth. Budget 2026-27 comes at a time when the economy is experiencing a rare Goldilocks period of high cost. Building on a tax gamble that did not pay off, the government should have gone back to the drawing board if its existing strategies were not working. Pushing welfare towards the states. The arena of welfare spending has now shifted to the states while the center continues to drive the agenda by legislating and setting norms. What the new fiscal rule means for growth and spending. Deficit deficit reductions in 5.27 is driven largely by cuts in development expenditure, particularly in the rural and agriculture, agricultural sectors. What does the budget offer urban India? The Union Budget 2026 has cut urban development allocations by 11.6%, lowering funding from 96,777 crore to 85,522 crore. This reduction raises concerns about the sustainability of essential services amid rising challenges such as mass migration, climate change, and infrastructures stagnations in cities. People are seen hanging on the door of a Mumbai local train approaching the Central Railway's Thane station in 2025. Do AI powered toys affect the healthy development of children? AI powered toys use chatbots to talk to children and educate them. Multiple AI toy makers claim that the models powering their toys are sourced through reputed providers such as OpenAI, ChatGPT, and then there are safety measures in place. A quiz to mark World Wetlands Day, which is observed on February 2 every year. Even on eve of elections, budget ignored TNCM. Fadnevis says budget reflects roadmap to growth. Congress says farmers left in lurch. Rajasthan CM louts budget. Congress claim state neglected. Inspiring blueprint for building Viksit Bharat, says Adityanath. No cheer in Rakhighari over plan to develop Harappan's cultural site. Learning shadow by neglected. Budget allocations for J&K marginally up from FY26. Ladakh sees 27% increase. Assam government allowing corporates to take over tribal land open. Uttarakhand police lodge writing writing a fire against you, trailing to Muslim shopkeepers in defense. Okay. Delhi set to scale new heights under budget 2026-27. Rekha Gupta set up efforts to save native fish in Yamuna NGT to states authorities. Tirupati Laddu Raw TTD EO Anil Singhal transferred. Budget is forward looking, aligns with APS development priorities. Nadu. Kerala barely mentioned in union budget. All parties expect BJP slums neglect injustice to Telangana in budget budgetary allocations. Dedicated rare earth corridor scheme has been on budget wish list of Kerala. Budget disappointing, lacks for sites, big injustice to Karnataka, says Siddhara. Yeah. Budget reflects the aspirations of 140 crore Indians, says Modi. Budget fails, test of economic strategy does not address. Challenges identified in Survey Congress: an anti-poor budget, detachment from economic realities, says oppositions. Trump says India to resume purchases of Venezuelan oil. Files expose alleged links between Epstein and Anil Ambani Delhi leadership. India dismisses Pak's allegations after BLA attacks in Balochistan. Sorry, Balochistan. Kerala urged to go beyond hard infra in accessibility, put AI to good use. Inclusive tourism is a right, not a privilege, and Ram, vying for gender inclusive tourism. Okay. Reopening of Gaza Rafah crossing expected today, say Israeli officials. If US strikes Iran, it will be a regional war. Khamenei. Further, Russia Ukraine talks are scheduled for Wednesday. 15 Pakistani soldiers, 92 militants killed in security operations. Alcaraz completes career grand slams. Pakistan to boycott the India game on February 15. Capitals survive a minor scare with Giants in eliminated. Plenty of giants for Man in Blue ahead of the T20 Soapies. United and Carrick's purple patch continues. Padikkal's incredible century guides Karnataka into the quarterfinals. One of the best days we have had the field. Padikkal Tivaka wins Madan Superintendent title. Maya Rajeswaran leads a talented Indian contingent. Dangal Warriors ready to beat Maharashtra Keshari. Keshari. Thank you guys. Okay.